Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I am going to tell you how we can compare irrational numbers. If we want to compare irrational numbers, it's easiest to use approximation and still accurate enough method. We can take the example, which is larger, 6 or 2 pi. There is a special irrational number called pi. It's the Greek letter pi and is read like P-I-E, pi. The value of pi is 3.14159265 but is commonly rounded to 3.14. To calculate the example, which is larger, 6 or 2 pi. Because pi is approximately 3.14, it means that 2 pi is approximately 2 into 3.14 is equal to 6.28. That means 6.28 is greater than 2 pi. The answer will be 2 pi is greater than 6. The square root of a perfect square is easy to find, like root 9 is equal to 3. But we can also find the approximate value of numbers like root 2 or root 10 by working backward. Now we take the example, which is larger, root 5 or 2.1. Again, we will find the value of root 5. First, we need to find out what is approximate value of root 5 to the 10th decimal place, because it is the next number is 2.1. We know that 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. That means root 1 is equal to 1, root 4 is equal to 2 and root 9 is equal to 3. So where lies root 5? Root 5 must be between 2 and 3. Therefore, root 5 is approximately equal to 2. The question asks us to compare the approximate value with a number that has a value in the 10th place. So we can then try 2 square is equal to 4, 2.1 square is equal to 4.41, 2.2 square is equal to 4.84, 2.3 square is equal to 5.29. So, root 5 must be between 2.2 and 2.3. As we can see here, 2.2 square is equal to 4, 2.3 square is equal to 5.929. That means the value of root 5 is between 2.2 and 2.3, in between it. But this value is closer to 2.2. Therefore, root 5 is equal to 2, approximately equal to 2.2. Therefore, root 5 is larger than 2.1. If you needed to find out what is approximate value of root 5 to the 100th decimal place, you would just repeat the process of working backward and try. You can take at the two places, that is 100th place, 2.21 square is equal to 4.8841, 2.22 square is equal to 4.9284, and so on until you found the closest approximation. Now check your knowledge. What you have done, according to that, calculate 2 pi, calculate 5 pi, calculate 3 pi, calculate half pi. What's the approximate value of root 3 to the 10th decimal place? What is the approximate value of root 6 to the 10th decimal place? What is the approximate value of root 2 to the 100th decimal place? What's the approximate value of root 5 to the 100th decimal place? Which is the largest number, root 10, pi or 3? Draw a number line and place the following numbers in the correct location: -3, 0.1, pi and root 5. I'm going to give you the answers of these questions in description box. You can check your knowledge, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press bell icon to get notification of next topic.